So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of tasks and those tasks are linked with one another. And you can tell them visually as well by seeing the lines right here. But what you can also do is you can go around and change out the link layouts as per how you like. So for that, you need to go around over here onto the Gantt chart format tab right here. And once you go around over here, you can see that layout is an option right here. So if I were to go around and click on layout, now you can see that this is the default one right here. So this is the default link layout that I have right here. But if I were to go around and choose this and press OK, now you can see that the layout changes out. And instead of going from the top, it actually goes around and bends right from the start right here. And you can see that the link changes out right there. You can also go around over here and show no links over here at all so that the links disappear. But this is usually not recommended. That is because you don't see the tasks that are related over here in the Gantt chart view. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the defaults right here and I'm going to go around and press OK, and you can see that it gets back to default just like that. And that is how you can go around and change out the link layouts as per how you like inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.